Task number 1. The first task, introduction in our new room. Jesus Christ, let's collapse everything. In our network security protocols. The network core protocols room. We learn about the protocols used to browse the web and access email, among others. These protocols work great. However, they cannot protect the confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of the transfer data. Here, just a cybersecurity little, let's say, hint. CIA. This is a concept that you will meet in cybersecurity learning material, especially in the, not necessarily especially, it's just something that you will see also in the CEH certification. In simpler terms, when we say that confidentiality is not protected, it means that someone watching the packets can read your password or credit card information when sent over HTTP. Similarly, they can access your private documents when sent via emails. Well, basically, these are just concepts that we can learn about and you will learn about when you start learning cybersecurity, are just, let's say, fundamental information, but in the real world you will almost never send data over HTTP, just for, I don't know, maybe in vulnerable machines on TryHackMe just for training purposes, but in the real world we will never see HTTP. As for not protecting the integrity of the data, it means that an adversary can change the contents of the transfer data. In other words, if you authorize the payment of £100, they can easily change it another value, such as £800. Authenticity means ensuring we are talking with the correct server, not a fake one. Important online transactions are risky without ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. Transport layer security, TLS, is added to existing protocols to protect communication, confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. So as I said previously, confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity is just a structure that is applied to multiple areas. Here we talk about communication, confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. Consequently, HTTP, POP3, SMTP, and IMAP become HTTPS, POP3S, SMTPS, and IMAP-S, where the appended S stands for secure. We will examine these protocols and the benefits we reaped from TLS. So you can read all about these protocols and more on my channel. Just if you don't want to search in the playlist that I created, there is just a TryHackMe playlist where we have all the videos. Similarly, it is deemed insecure to remotely access a system using the Telnet protocol. Secure Shell SSH we created to provide a secure way to access remote systems. Furthermore, SSH is an extensible protocol that offers added security features for other protocols. Room prerequisite. This room is the last in a group of 4 rooms about computer networking, network concepts, networking essentials, networking core protocols, and now we are in the secure protocols. So basically, if you didn't catch the previous rooms, there are already 100% completed and uploaded. We recommend finishing all the previous 3 rooms before starting this one. This is already done. Learning objectives. Upon finishing this room, you will learn about SSL and TLS. This is a cool concept that we will go through. And then how to secure existing plain text protocols. 4 protocols that we already touched upon. How SSH replaces the plain text telnet. And then how a VPN creates a secure network over an insecure one. Answer the questions below. Please ensure you have finished the networking core protocols room at a minimum.